the Geek, and he's put a similar great band together called Cosmic Slop. You're about to be taken to another world of the universe. You're about to be taken where ID has never been before. You're about to go where you've never been before and come back again. For the one and only Dr. Geek featuring Cosmic Slop. Y'all, give it up for him. Come on, y'all, make it good. Dr. Geek.
Once upon a time, this sounds so fine, we gon' funk your geek. Once upon a time, this sounds so fine, we gon' funk your geek. Once upon a time, this sounds so fine, we gon' funk your geek. Once upon a time, this sounds so fine, we gon' funk your geek. Once upon a time, it sounds so fine, we gon' funk your geek. Alternative! 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 Here comes the geek, he's gonna get you. Here comes the geek, oh yeah! Here comes the geek, he's gonna get you. Here comes the geek, hey yeah! Here comes the geek, he's gonna get you. Here comes the geek, what you want, geek? Here comes the geek, he's gonna get you. Here comes the geek, here comes the geek, yeah. Here comes the doctor, here comes the doctor. Here comes the geek. Here comes the geek. He's gonna get you. Here comes the geek. Oh yeah. Here comes the geek. He's gonna get you. Here comes the geek. Hello. Here comes the geek. He's gonna get you. Here comes the geek. Look up in the sky. Here comes the geek. You better watch over your shoulder. Here comes the geek. Oh yeah. Here comes the geek. Here comes the geek. Here comes the geek. He's gonna get you. Here comes the geek. Hey, yeah. Here comes the geek. Here we gonna get you. Here comes the geek. Listen up now. Check it out, y'all. We gonna do something a little different tonight. I want y'all to know where we coming from with the Cosmic Slop. You know, I can't dunk the ball like Shaquille O'Neal or run like Barry Sanders down the football field. Now, I ain't one given to bragging and mess, but it's one thing that I do with constant success. Oh, yeah. Give me a crowd, a one through a zillion, and the lyrics will flow by the million, and improv in mind, busting out a rhyme. It's just like thirsty kids eating milk to the right. Here comes the geek, he's gonna get you. Here comes the geek. Here we go, y'all. Here comes the geek. Get you. Here comes the geek. Let me go. Here comes the geek. Here we go. What now? Here comes the geek. He's gonna get you. Check it out now. Here comes the geek. Hey, little kid sitting under my voice. Obey your mom and daddy, cause that's the right choice. Never, never, never put yourself in danger. You not around your parents, never talk to strangers. You gotta obey your mom and daddy the rules. straight home from school.
Come on. Oh, yeah.
Never let a stranger treat you silly.
Little children.
That goes for Philip, and you too willing.
Hey,
Listen to what I'm saying. Here we go. Here comes the Geek.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, walk. Here comes the Geek. Come on, y'all.
Here comes the Geek.
Come on, Willie.
Here comes the Geek.
Here comes the Geek. All right, y'all, check it out now.
Here comes the Geek.
Come on over here now.
Comes the Geek. He's gonna get you.
Little bitty homie, he wanted to do his thing. He said, Dr. Geek, I got raps in my brain. Me and my brother, we ready to trip. So this is what I said to him and Philip. I said, as long as y'all don't use any profanity, you can rap with Dr. G. And I said this to make your mama real proud. You can't cuss because she out there in the crowd. So now the opportunity to go and rap. Go ahead, homie.
Here comes the Geek. He's gonna get you. Here comes the Geek. Hey, yeah.
All my homies know not to mess with me, cause I'm an OG from the old school fool. What you saying you are hard, cause you got a wristband. The fits around my head is gold, I'm bold. It's a Rolex, I got a solar flex. I ain't nothing but a poor black man trying to earn money, all I can. Singing rock, selling dope, trying to get black man's hope.
That's right. Go ahead, Willie.
I was rolling down the street in my 6'4" when the cops came rolling right past my door. Didn't even look through the rearview mirror, so I wanna beg up.
You know what I'm saying? Give him a hand. Check it out, check it out. Give him the mic back. Now listen up. Now don't treat him silly. Tell him who you are. Your name is?
Willie.
One more time. Now listen to me really. Give him the mic. Your name is?
Willie.
Listen to me, y'all, because you're about to trip. Tell them one more time. Your name is?
Philip.
You see what I'm saying? You got to be well equipped to make the body dip with my homeboy.
Philip.
Give him a hand, y'all. Give him a hand, y'all. Go ahead, give him a hand. Give him a hand now. Now check this out, y'all. 7 days a week. It's not about the entertainment, but how you reach. The first time on stage, they had the nerve. And listen, this is how you folks would serve her. Here comes the Geek.
He's gonna get you.
Here comes the Geek.
Oh, yeah. Here comes the Geek. He's gonna get you. Here comes the Geek. Come on. Here comes the Geek. Here comes the Geek.
Check it out now.
He's gonna get you. Here comes the Geek.
Now my black child is a people thing. Inside the skin tone, I said we're all the same. See, we gotta wipe a butt just like you. So we get off the toilet doing the number 2. We don't care about where the party be at. So we'll be there in the Greyhound, Southwest, and no time flat. My name is Dr. Geek, and I ain't talking no crap. This is why we like to wear the funky hat. Cause the Geek,
He's gonna get you. Here comes the Geek. Oh, yeah.
here comes the
The Geek. He's gonna get you. Here comes the Geek. One more time. Here comes the Geek. Here comes the Geek. Look up there. Thank you. And keep your love tonight.
Oh yeah! Hold your nose!
Thank you.
Hold your nose!
Keep your love tonight.
Oh yeah!
Thank you for letting us keep your love tonight.
Yeah. That was just letting you know, here comes the Geek. Now we know most of the capacity crowd is gone, but we still got something we want to say, because there might be somebody in one of them houses out there, and they need to know about a 50-50 love. Now for all these years, y'all been thinking of 50-50 love been cool. Well, we're going to bring you something from the old school with a little funk. All right? And this next song, and then it's going to lead into the Blue Blocker song. Some of y'all know that's where I come from. Just giving you a little bit of our itinerary. And then we got something, called the Ice Cream Man. And we know this time of year, everybody likes some ice cream. Me personally, I like that chocolate and that cinnamon sitting over there under them trees, but we ain't got to get off into that. You see what I'm saying? But anyway, Watts, we're glad to be here. We want to serve our community, and we just, want to thank you for accepting Cosmic Slop. And we're about to go ahead on and take it to that 50-50 love. Please listen to the lyrics very carefully. And then we're going to get off with the ice cream song, and we're going to get off with the Blue Block Command. So get set. You ain't heard nothing yet. Fellas, come on, take me into that. Yeah. Everybody clap your hands. If you love it just won't do, gotta be honest for me and you. If the love it just won't do, gotta be honest for me and you. If the love it just won't do, gotta be honest for me and you. If the love just won't do, gotta be 100 for me and you. If the love just won't do, gotta be 100 for me and you. If the love just won't do, gotta be 100 for me and you. Hey, Barnyard, did you say you had a talk last night? Come on, talk to me. Gave a woman, came to me the other day, talked to me, in a strange way. Get out of 50-50 love, a 50-50 love, a 50-50 love, all right. 50-50 love, check this out now. A 50-50 love just ain't on hit, cause there's 50-50 more we both need to get. Said the Pendergrass thing about a 50-50 love is cool, the 50-50 more floating up above. 200 to make 100, 200 to make 100. That's how the old school used to run it. 100 for me and 100 for she. And my love thing is the shooting beat. It takes all 8, 7 dozen, all of the cliques. If only 4, I'm working, we ain't moving one thing. Too many relationships are on the verge of breaking up because of 50-50. They only go on in the cut. What if only 50% of the folks put to work? But let me tell you something now that would be hurt. 365 days a year, 200% plus sweat and tears, do sick and tears. Then it's 600% like glue. I have to say, 50-50 love just won't do. Gotta be honest for me and you. 50-50 love just won't do. Gotta be honest for me and you. 50-50 love just won't do. Gotta be honest for me and you. 50-50 love. All right, check it out. Power song, the Kooky Love song. Helps make a relationship all so strong. If you make her feel like a queen, I bet you $100 she should make you feel like a king. For the trial and the tribulation that the two of you may be facing. You got to come up with a game plan. Give you all in all. You can't succeed, my man. I hear you.